Hey everyone, why most investors chase flashy AI models? The real power and the biggest margins sit in the infrastructure stack underneath. Today, we map the full AI stack in 2026, from chips to cloud. Whether you're a retail investor or managing institutional capital, this is where the long term control and returns are decided. Let's dive in. First, the training layer. NVIDIA dominates with GPUs and CUDA. Hyperscalers are pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into AI infrastructure, and NVIDIA is the default choice. Retail rode the big run up. Institutions value the strong software moat. Next, the enterprise AI cloud layer is led by Microsoft Azure. Thanks to OpenAI, is where the companies deploy real AI workloads. Retail sees steady cloud growth. Institutions like its hybrid strength and fast enterprise adoption. Amazon Web Services is the global cloud backbone with massive scale and custom silicon like Trainium. AWS powers huge AI workloads. Retail views it as a default play. Institutions notices strong margins amid strong rising capex. Google stands out with custom AI silicon. Its TPUs are built for maximum efficiency and deep integration with data and models. Retail investors like the pure AI native edge. Institutions appreciate the cost advantages and vertical integration that strengthens its position in the hyperscaler race. The networking layer is becoming a major bottleneck as cluster grows. Broadcom leads with the high-speed interconnects and custom ASICs that hyperscalers need. This quiet layer is seeing explosive demand. Institutions have been increasing exposure as AI networking spend accelerates. Feeding those GPUs requires high bandwidth memory. Micron supplies critical HBM for training and inference. Retail investors often overlook it, but the growth potential is significant. Institutions watch supply constraints and pricing power closely in the 2026 build out. At the foundation is manufacturing, dominated by TSMC. Nearly every advanced AI chips get built in their fabs. This layer is strategically vital and often supply constrained. Both retail and institutional investors see TSMC as an indispensable foundry powering the entire stack. As AI shifts to everyday use, inference compute explodes in importance. AMD is gaining share here with strong price performance for running models at scale. Retail investors are watching the market share battle. Institutions view it as a smart diversifier against single vendor reliance. On the edge, Apple powers a growing edge AI platform with on device processing that keeps the data private and efficient. Retail investors enjoy the seamless user experience. Institutions values Apple massive scale, high margins, and ultra-efficient renewable data centers. Meta is building some of the largest internal superclusters for its own AI training, investing heavily in GPUs and custom chips. This shows big tech becoming its own hyperscaler. Institutions are tracking Meta's aggressive capex as part of the broader hundreds of billions spent expected in 2026. Bottom line, AI is a full stack, not one company. Training, memory, networking, cloud, and edge. Every layer counts. With hyperscalers committing hundreds of billions, the winners will control key parts of this infrastructure. Which layer matters most to you? Comment below, like, subscribe, and see you next time.